Okay, I made a important modification on my 22 Tesla Model 3 Performance. Want to show it to you? Um, so what I installed was a two-dimensional swivel mount for my screen. It's phenomenal. So the problem I had was when I sit all the way back, I'm a big guy, legs had to go all the way back, but I had trouble reaching the screen. I also had trouble seeing some of the smaller print. Um, and so I think it was due to a combination of things. The screen was too far away and it was turned not facing me. I'm over here, the screen's over there, screen's facing sort of the center. So I put in the swivel mount. It's a multi-axis mount. It moves it out towards me a little bit and down just a hair, but I can adjust this up and down and side to side. It's tight. So now it looks awesome. I can reach it really easily from my sitting position, and I can see it a little more easy, much more easier actually, because it's just that much closer. Another video I'll go into how it's done. Try to get a different angle on it. Here it is over to the side from the passenger side. You can see the angle that it has. It's really nice. This one was the Atlas one made by Tuck Forum. It's just over $300. I think it's worth every penny. He also included some plastic parts that go in and cover up the back, but it's extremely well made. Another video I can go into the installation or removal that's a little more complex. He does a couple of videos on it. My name is George Borelli. If you have any questions on how this is done and the value of it to your Tesla, just let me know in the comments. Please initiate a like and subscribe. I'll try to post more videos as we go along. Thank you.